Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The government is looking at regulating the short-stay accommodation industry, which includes Airbnbs. These talks come at a time in which Jamaica is seeing growth in such sector. Javon Keys reports.
Thousands of property owners around the world have been capitalizing on short-term rentals. Jamaica is no different.
About 29% of visitors to Jamaica today who visit Jamaica today stay in an Airbnb or some sort of short-term stay rental apartment, condo or villa. And this is significant for Jamaica's tourism product. Up to last year, Airbnb, we met with Airbnb executives this year and last year, who indicated to us that the growth in Jamaica is amongst the highest levels of growth in Airbnb stays in the entire Caribbean.
Some consider the business a good avenue for economic growth as it encourages real estate development and supports community tourism. It's found that tourists who use these kinds of accommodations tend to spend more money in the jurisdiction. But there are challenges: vandalism, dubious tenants, and a shift of income from traditional accommodation providers, which could jeopardize some jobs. Some cities like New York, Paris, London, Berlin, and others have put in rules on who can and cannot turn their homes into Airbnbs. Jamaica is also exploring regulating the sector. Senior strategist and advisor in the Tourism Ministry, Delano Seabright, says this will go beyond taxes.
We're being very cautious, we're being very careful, we're being very considerate in how we approach it. The idea is not necessarily taxes. The idea is to ensure that it is safe, it is secure, and that it is properly marketed to ensure that Destination Jamaica and Brand Jamaica is protected at all costs. There are persons in the space who we believe are doing, nefarious things, and we want to get on top of that, and we need to manage that because we need to protect Brand Jamaica and the people of Jamaica from nefarious characters who have other interests as it relates to capitalizing on this new platform.
The framework will also be critical as the country braces for even more tourists using short-stay accommodations.
Last year we had about 7,500, 8,000 Airbnb accommodations listed. This year we have about 11,000 plus Airbnb accommodations listed, which shows a significant growth of the market. So we're expecting that in the future, certainly within the next 2 to 3 years, we may find that 40% of the visitors to Jamaica are staying in an Airbnb.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The Jamaican dollar has hit its lowest value compared to the U.S. currency since the start of the year. At the close of trading, the Jamaican dollar lost 35 cents, selling for an average $156.68. The Canadian dollar is selling at $114.71. $189.39 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $167.59 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 342 points today, while the junior market lost 30 points. Among the 34 winners, Knutsford Express, Proven Group, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar share, Edufocal, and Caribbean Cream. The 58 losers were led by T-Tech, JMMB Group 7.25%, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. 19 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.